Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today I am going to explain about some tools of Photoshop and how to create a new file, how to change the background and how to insert an image. So in this way we can take a new file, see in this way, click on file menu, then new dialog box appear, then set height field, here we insert 140, then background center transparent, then click OK. Then after double click on color library, then select any one color from it, then click on OK. Then after select paint bucket tool, then click on a background. So in this way we can change the background. Now how to insert an image, click on file menu, then open as a smart object, then select any one from it, then open. So in this way we can insert an image in the Photoshop. Then after press Ctrl T and set the image. So remember this shortcut key, Ctrl plus T for transform, then place. Then after again click on move to, and in this way we can move an image. Then select rectangular marquee tool. It has a 4 option. Here we select a rectangular marquee tool. See in this way, rectangular marquee tool. And by using this we can select the area of the image in this way. Then press Ctrl C, then Ctrl T, then Ctrl V, and then after move it. In this way we can use rectangular marquee tool. Now next one is lasso tool. It has a 3 option. We use lasso tool. By using lasso tool, we used to make a freehand selection in an image. So we can select area of the image as per our requirement. See in this way. After selecting area of image, we have to press Ctrl C, then Ctrl T, and then after Ctrl V, and then move by using move tool. So in this way, first of all select the area, then press Ctrl C, then Ctrl T, then Ctrl V. Then after by using move tool, we can move area of the image. See in this way. Then select crop tool. By using crop tool, we select the area and then double click on it. See in this way, then double click on it. In this way we can crop the area of image.